Hey, what is going on guys? Ben here, and today I'm super excited to be checking out the brand new AirPods Max and comparing them with some of their competition. So without further ado, let's just jump right on into the box.
You carry around your box of glass with wounds so sharp that they cut too fast. Running when the sky comes down, growing more cracks when you can't be found. Took your heart and made it mine. Do my best to justify paper thin.
So in testing and comparing these headphones, I was really looking at three things to see if they could live up to their $550 price tag. Their build quality and comfort, their sound quality and noise canceling abilities, and their feature set. So let's start by talking about their build quality and comfort. It shouldn't be a surprise that Apple has designed an incredibly sleek pair of headphones. The ear cups are made out of aluminum, which gives them a very cool and premium feel. It also makes these headphones quite heavy, especially when compared to plastic headphones like the Sony XM4s or the Bose QC35s. However, Apple has done a few clever tricks with engineering these headphones to actually make them incredibly comfortable even with long listening sessions. The first trick up Apple's sleeve is their mesh headband. This soft and stretchy material essentially suspends the headphones above your head rather than resting them right in the center, and it also allows them to conform to the top of any head and then disperse that weight across a very large surface area. These sort of feel equivalent to like resting a pillow softly on top of your head, whereas other headphones feel more like something that's resting right at the center, at the crown of your head. It's a little weird at first, but it has helped tremendously with long listening sessions. And speaking of long listening sessions, the ear cups have been great for this. They are made of this fabric mesh material, which is super breathable, but surprisingly creates as good of a seal as other headphones without having to use that sticky plastic like pleather material. And these ear cups also have a secret feature where not only does the headband flex to help them pinch at the tops of your head, but also there's a point where the headband actually meets the ear cups, and that point is spring hinged. So the ear cups actually pinch both at the bottom and the top as well, creating a very even pressing force which disperses all of the pressure around your ear rather than just at the top. And these ear cups also smoothly telescope in and out, so you can create a perfect fit. All of these design choices not only make these a very stylish pair of headphones, but they're also extremely comfortable and conform to any head shape. And not only are these headphones really comfortable, but spoiler alert, they actually sound really good. I sat down with the AirPods Max, the Bose QC35s, and the Sony XM4s and put them all to a test to see how each sounded. I listened to a variety of songs in different genres and discovered a few interesting things. First, the AirPods did the best job at keeping the music crystal clear when maxing out the volume. And one thing I did notice though was that the Apple headphones tended to emphasize higher frequencies more. This helped a lot in creating really crisp drum hits and vocals, as well as emphasizing all the different instruments. However, when comparing them to the Bose or the Sonys, I did feel that they were lacking a little bit in the low end, which actually surprised me considering the HomePod speakers had some of the most impressive low end of any speakers I've ever heard. However, in terms of noise cancellation, these things are far superior than any other headphones. They do an amazing job at cutting out almost all surrounding noise without distorting any of the sound frequencies that do sneak through. This was an issue I noticed with the Sonys, which tended to distort all of the ambient sounds towards a higher, unnatural frequency, and they felt less obtrusive than the Bose, which would make a slight hissing sound when in noise canceling mode. I tested these headphones around my apartment and on a flight, and in every situation they created the most silent and immersive noise canceling experience. But the icing on the cake with these headphones, and where I think they actually secure their $200 premium over other noise canceling headphones, is in their features. These pair perfectly with all of my Apple products thanks to their M1 chip, which enables me to seamlessly switch between devices, whether it's my Mac, phone, or iPad, without needing to press any buttons or pair anything. These headphones turn on and off automatically, play and pause automatically, and really do everything just like you'd expect from a pair of AirPods. And if you do want to control them manually, they added a little digital crown at the top, which allows you to play, pause, skip tracks, change the volume, all just by clicking or scrolling this wheel. And this method, in my opinion, is superior to any other rocker button or swipe gesture like other headphones. Apple has also added a dedicated transparency mode button, just like the AirPod Pros. And the transparency mode on these sounds super realistic. They really make it so you can hear your surroundings perfectly and naturally. It was way better than the transparency mode on the Sonys, which actually sounded a little tinny and fake. And overall, they really enhance the experience of constantly wearing and using these headphones, as I could easily just pop in and out of transparency mode whenever I needed to hear what was going on. So overall, these headphones do command an extremely high price tag when compared with everything else on the market in their feature set. However, I think they do the best overall job, and if you're looking for the most perfect seamless experience, you won't find anything better than these. However, if you are willing to sacrifice on maybe 1 or 2 features, then there are much more affordable options that may deserve a look instead. Anyway, that's been my unboxing, review, and comparison of the brand new AirPods Max. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button and leave a comment down below letting me know what you thought. And also, if you want to see more videos like this in the future, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. Anyway, that's been it. Thanks, subscribe, and peace out. I'll catch you all later.
Don't lie.